Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2015 65 plate Jaguar XE R Sport. Now, we actually had the pleasure of supplying this vehicle to the previous keeper, so we know the car very well. Fantastic spec vehicle. It's a 2-litre diesel, so they only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles. This is the 8-speed automatic car, so fantastic to drive, really nice power delivery, and this is the full R Sport model, so you get the sportier styling cues, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts, and then this has got some real nice additions as well. So the car itself is finished in this stunning and highly desirable Firenze red metallic paintwork, which I think looks absolutely fantastic against all the gloss black detailing. So the gloss black pack is a factory option, so you get the gloss black window surrounds and the privacy glass. You get the gloss black side mouldings there as well. You get the gloss black to the front bumper, so the full centre grille, the side mouldings. But it looks fantastic, and then we're riding on an upgrade alloy wheel. So these are called Venom alloys. They're 19-inch, 5 twin spokes, finished again in lovely gloss black. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got a headlamp wash, we've got rear parking sensors, nice sporty styling to the rear, so we've got the R badge, dual exhaust, nice boot lip spoiler, a really smart looking car, and in nice condition as well. So looking around the bodywork, it seems to be in nice order throughout. Coming through to the interior, we'll come through to the driver's side, as that's where you tend to pick up most of your wear. So the driver's seat is in lovely order. So a full Ebony black leather sports seat. We've got a contrasting white stitch all throughout the car on the seats. And then looking at the bolsters, looking at the actual seat base, those are in nice order. These are part perforated, so it allows the seat to breathe. You've got the heated function for the front as well. Quickly just coming through to the rear, it's the exact same story. So again, comfortable seating for 3, Isofix in the bottom. We've got a nice central armrest with 2 cup holders within there. You've got rear vents, so the rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. 12-volt power outlet. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they don't look like they've been kicked or scratched. All the netting's in nice order. So, jumping inside, just going through some of the features on the car. I will just mention, sitting in the car, there's no sort of smell of any dogs, pets, no smell of smoke either. So if you're a non-smoker or you're allergic to pets, that's absolutely ideal. Inside, fit and finish is fantastic. So again, lots of bright silver detailing, gloss black all along the centre console and the panel. You've got this sort of leather detailing on the dashboard, again contrasting white stitch. There's a sense of occasion inside of here. So just going through the specification, obviously a full leather multifunction steering wheel, the R Sport wheel. You've got your voice command, your Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. On the other side, you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter. Obviously, as I mentioned before, this is the silky smooth 8-speed automatic box. So you've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel, allowing you to drive the car manually. On the stalks then, you'll find automatic lights, automatic wipers, as well as your onboard computer. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 60,421 miles. Coming through, we've got lane deviation warning, we've got our boot opening. Coming through to the centre console then, you'll find this nice big touchscreen. You've got your multimedia, which is your DAB radio, FM. You've got Bluetooth phone with the music streaming as well. So we'll just click back there. Full satellite navigation. Now, these vehicles do come with SAT NAV pre-wire, but not all of them do have the satellite navigation SD cards put in. So when you're looking to buy one of these cars, make sure that they do come with the SAT NAV SD card and not just the pre-wire. InControl applications, eco data, that's all found through the system. It's a dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously your full drive select as well, so we've got dynamic, normal, eco, all-terrain, and your traction control on there as well. Central cup holders, central armrest in fantastic order. Within there you'll find your SAT NAV SD card, aux USB, and a 12 volt power outlet. But a nice car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. If you'd like anything further on the vehicle, if you'd like some finance quotes, if you like more images, a personalised video or anything, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down and we'll happily book you in. On sales there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would happily help you. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.